neighbours. What protects me from this?
We have rules for noise limits, which are generally lower than what is in the current plan. There are also rules to manage noise and vibration from temporary activities such as construction. In all parts of the district, standards would apply to outdoor artificial light to regulate brightness, light spill and glare. Lighting that does not meet those standards would require a resource consent. Several light-sensitive environments have been identified where additional controls would protect these areas from artificial sky glow. This includes places such as Omarama and Ohau Village. Tell us if you think we've got it right about these standards.